Ever wanted to be the master of your own dreams? Imagine being able to control the narrative, the setting, and the characters in your dreams. What if you could fly over mountains, swim with dolphins, or even visit distant planets, all while you sleep? Lucid dreaming makes this possible, and with the help of modern technology, it's easier than ever to achieve. Here's how tech can help. Today we have an array of gadgets and apps designed to enhance your sleep and guide you into the world of lucid dreaming. From sleep masks that emit gentle light patterns to binaural beats that synchronize your brainwaves, the possibilities are endless. These tools not only help you fall asleep faster, but also increase your chances of becoming aware that you're dreaming. It's your first night with a sleep mask, binaural beats, and a sleep tracker app. The sleep mask is designed to emit soft, rhythmic light patterns that can be detected even with your eyes closed. These light patterns serve as cues in your dreams, helping you realize that you are dreaming. The binaural beats, on the other hand, are audio tracks that play different frequencies in each ear, guiding your brain into a state conducive to lucid dreaming. The Sleep Tracker app monitors your sleep cycles, providing valuable data that can help you optimize your sleep routine. The mask's soft lights and calming beats guide you into lucid dreams. As you drift off to sleep, the gentle glow of the mask and the soothing sounds of the binaural beats create a perfect environment for lucid dreaming. You feel yourself becoming more relaxed, your mind slowly detaching from the worries of the day. The lights and sounds work together to guide you into a deep, restful sleep where the boundaries between reality and dreams begin to blur. You notice the light flashes in your dream and realize you're dreaming. Suddenly, the dreamscape around you becomes more vivid, the colors more vibrant, and the sensations more intense. You are fully aware that you are dreaming, and with this awareness comes the power to control your dream. You can change the scenery, summon characters, and even manipulate the laws of physics. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Wake up excited, review your sleep data, and jot down your dream. As you wake up, you feel a sense of exhilaration and accomplishment. You quickly grab your smartphone to review the sleep data collected by the app. The data provides insights into your sleep patterns, helping you understand how different factors affect your sleep quality. You then reach for your dream journal to jot down the details of your lucid dream. Writing down your dreams not only helps you remember them, but also improves your ability to have lucid dreams in the future. Each night, refine your skills and unlock new adventures. Sweet dreams, tech enthusiasts. With each passing night, you become more adept at recognizing the cues that indicate you are dreaming. You experiment with different techniques and tools, refining your skills and unlocking new adventures in the world of lucid dreaming. The excitement of exploring new dreamscapes and the satisfaction of mastering your dreams keep you motivated. So, gear up, tech enthusiasts, and embark on this incredible journey of self-discovery and adventure. Sweet dreams await you.